coming up next. And now it's quiz time. The Guyana Learning Channel, inspiring all ages.
Hello everyone, welcome to the National Library in Gafoors annual Inter-Schools Quiz Competition. This is not simply a competition, it is a learning experience as well. All participants had to do much research to prepare themselves to compete. In addition, the winners of the final round of the competition will be rewarded for their hard work. Each member of the winning team will receive $12,000, a trophy and a book. The runner-up team will each receive $7,000, a trophy and a book. And that's not all. The winning school will receive a water cooler and the runner-up school a garbage bin. In addition, all participants of the final round will receive a Guyana Learning Channel special prize. Before we begin, a quick reminder of the rules. The moderator will read each question twice and the participant will have 20 seconds to respond. At the end of that time, a bell will be rung. If the answer is correct, 2 points will be awarded. If the answer is incorrect, or if the participant does not answer within the given time, the question will be given to the corresponding student of the other school who will have 5 seconds to respond. If the correct answer is then given, 1 point will be awarded. If no correct answer is given, the moderator will provide the answer. Good luck to you all. Now, let's welcome our moderator.
Thank you. We're on to the third round in the preliminary segment of the competition. In the studio with us today, we have the participants of the two competing schools, and they are Grove Primary, all the way on the east bank of Demerara, and Newmarket Primary, coming from number 63 Village, Quarantine in Berbice. Grove won the toss, and we'll ask them to introduce themselves.
My name is Dorinda Levi. I am in grade 6 too. When I grow up, I would like to be a doctor, and I really love to read books.
My name is Ariella Lewis. I am in grade 6-1. When I grow up, I'd like to be a teacher, and I love to draw and read.
My name is Nakoy Carmichael. I am in grade 6-4. I like reading and drawing. When I grow up, I would like to be a doctor.
Thank you, Grove Primary. On to Newmarket Primary.
My name is Charlie Adhar. I am from grade 5A. I like to learn as well as I like science because it is very interesting, and when I grow up I would like to be a scientist.
My name is Dora Chan and I am from grade 5B. When I grow up I would like to become a pilot.
My name is Sarbet Randir. I'm from grade 5B, and when I grow up I would like to become a lawyer.
And I am your moderator, Pamela Mason. Now we go straight into the quiz. This quiz is divided into 5 categories: spelling, social studies, mathematics, science, and sports. We begin with the spelling segment, and the first question goes to Dorinda. Give the correct spelling of this word, justice. Give the correct spelling of the word justice.
Justice.
That's correct. Charlie, your question. Gentlemen. Gentlemen.
Gentlemen. Gentlemen. Gentlemen.
That's correct. Ariella, your word is librarian. Librarian.
Librarian. Librarian. Librarian.
That's correct. Neeraj, your word. Medical. Medical.
Medical. Medical. Medical.
That's correct. Kaya, your word. Optical. Optical.
Optical. Optical.
That's correct. Sarabeth, your word is germination. Germination.
Germination. Germination.
That's correct. We're on to the social studies segment. Dorinda, your question is, where is the CARICOM Secretariat located? Where is the CARICOM Secretariat located?
The CARICOM Secretariat is located in Liliendal of Greater Georgetown.
Try again.
The CARICOM Secretariat is located in Liliendal of Greater Georgetown.
Your question, Charlie.
The CARICOM Secretariat is located in Georgetown, Guyana.
Good. The correct response is Turkine, East Coast Demerara in Guyana. Charlie, your question is, Santiago is to Chile as Bogota is to
Colombia.
That's correct. Ariella, your question. Give the name of the first village bought by ex-slaves. Give the name of the first village bought by ex-slaves.
The name of the first village bought by ex-slaves is Northbrook.
Northbrook is correct. It's also Victoria. Dhiraj, your question. What is the name of the monument immediately north of the Bank of Guyana building? What is the name of the monument immediately north of the Bank of Guyana building?
The monument north of the Guyana Bank is the cenotaph.
That's correct. Nakaya, your question. Of what event does this monument remind us? Of what event does this monument, the cenotaph, remind us?
The cenotaph reminds us of World War and II. Of World War I and II.
That's correct. Sarabeth, when was the Stabroek Market open to the public? When was the Stabroek Market open to the public?
The Stabroek Market was opened in 1881.
That's correct. We're on to the math segment. Dorinda, your question is, in the number 459,056, the digit in the tens place is, in the number 459,056, the digit in the tens place is?
The digit in the tens place is 5.
That's correct. Charlie, your question. 4 is to 7, and 16 is to
49.
4 is to 7, and 16 is to
49.
No, that's not correct. Use your paper quickly. 4 is to 7 is 16 is to... Dorinda?
4 is to 7 and 16 is...
Okay. The correct response is 19. 19. Ariella. The reciprocal of a quarter is this. The reciprocal of a quarter is this.
4 over 1. Or 4.
Okay. 4 is correct. Neeraj. If the size of two angles of a triangle is 67 degrees and 63 degrees respectively, then the third angle is, if the size of two angles of a triangle is 67 degrees and 63 degrees respectively, then the third angle is
43.
No, try again.
19.
You using the paper? Yes, Ariella.
Third angle is 50 degrees.
That's correct. Nakaya. List the set of prime numbers between 32 and 44. List the set of prime numbers between 32 and 44.
31, 41, and 43.
You have two correct there.
31, 37, and 43.
Yes. Sarah? Correct response is 37, 41, and 43. Sarah Beth, your question. If 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, then 4 kilograms and 250 grams multiplied by 6 is equal to how many grams? If 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, then 4 kilograms, 250 grams multiplied by 6 is equal to how many grams?
$15. 1,500 grams.
What?
1,500 grams.
No.
25,500 grams.
That's correct. 25,500 grams. We're on to the science segment. Dorinda. The main diet of carnivores consists of this. The main diet of carnivores consists of this.
Meat or flesh.
Meat is correct. Charlie. The difference between the boiling point of water and normal body temperature is this. The difference between the boiling point of water and normal body temperature is this.
$63 degrees. Thank you.
That's correct. 63 degrees Celsius. Ariella, name the practice of making tiles with plastic bottles instead of burning them. Name the practice of making tiles with plastic bottles instead of burning them?
Reusing. Recycling.
Recycling is correct. Dear Raj, which is the largest sense organ of the human body? Which is the largest sense organ of the human body?
The skin.
Skin is correct. Okay. Name the organic material formed from plants and animal decay. Name the organic material formed from plants and animal decay.
Humus.
That's correct. Sarabet, which of these energy sources is less harmful to the environment? Which of these energy sources is less harmful to the environment? Water, wood.
Water.
That's correct. We're on to the final segment in the sports. Dorinda, give the meaning of GVF. Give the meaning of GVF.
Guyana Volleyball Federation.
That's correct. Charlie, T and put are terms associated with this sport.
Golf.
That's correct, Charlie. Ariella, name the West Indies cricket captain who only lost one test series during his captaincy, and that was to New Zealand. Name the West Indies cricket captain who only lost one test series during his captaincy, and that was to New Zealand.
Darren Bradley.
No. Diraj?
Castillo. Clive Lloyd.
That's correct, Diraj. Clive Lloyd. Your question, Diraj. Name the country to host the 2014 World Cup football. Name the country to host the 2014 World Cup football.
Brazil.
That's correct. Okay. The knighting of 3 West Indies cricketers took place at this cricket ground. The knighting of 3 West Indies cricketers took place at this cricket ground. Sarbet?
St. George. St. George.
The correct response is Sir Vivian Richards Cricket Ground. Sarbet, you have the final question. GBL means this. GBL means this.
Guyana Boxing Lawn. Guyana Boxing Lawn.
Yes.
Guyana Boxing League. Guyana Boxing League.
The correct response is Guyana Basketball League. Guyana Basketball League. And we've now come to the end of the third round in the preliminary competition. We're now awaiting the results from the judges. We're now in receipt of the results from the judges. Before I make the announcement, I would like for you to give yourselves a big round of applause. Person with the highest score is Ariella Lewis from Grove Primary School. Runner-up school is Newmarket Primary with 22 points. And the winning school is Grove Primary with 24 points. Well done, both of you. I'll now ask you to come in the center and congratulate your peers.
This brings us to the end of this round of the competition. The winning school will go forward to the next level. See you next time around for another in the National Library and Gafoors Inter-Schools Quiz Competition 2014.